Hey, what's going on, and welcome back to Cooking Uncorked. Today, we're going to be making a very simple 3-egg French style omelet. Check it out. This style omelet, in my opinion, is the only way to make an omelet. Not that taco hotel egg style omelet. That thing is just rubbery and gross. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to show you a cool way to make this omelet on the go for those times that you can't just sit down and enjoy it at home. Alright, so check it out. First thing we're going to do is take our 3 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Now, using a fork, whisk them together. We want to whisk them just so they combine. We're not using a regular whisk because a regular whisk is going to add air to our eggs and we don't want to aerate our eggs. Now you can fill this omelet with whatever you like, from cheese to meats to veggies. The variations are almost endless. With that being said, I do highly recommend cutting everything down pretty fine. The reason for this is because when you go to fold the egg, there's a much higher chance that your omelet's going to crack or break if the fillings are too big. Alright, put your pan on the stove and turn your heat to about medium. Now, watching your heat is very important. If you have your heat too high, you're going to end up with scrambled eggs faster than you can make your own. Then, I'm going to add a hefty amount of butter. Now, the butter isn't just there to make the egg not stick to the pan. That's why we're using a non-stick pan. The butter actually adds a lot of richness, making them a lot more flavorful. Alright, so when the pan's nice and hot, your butter's melted and getting bubbly, go ahead and throw in your vegetables. Add a small pinch of salt just to bring out the flavor. Once your veg is nice and translucent and cooked down, I don't know, maybe about 45 seconds to a minute, go ahead and add in your eggs. Now, you want to constantly move your eggs around. Notice I'm basically cooking scrambled eggs, but it's going nice and slow, keeping my eggs really moist. Then, using your spatula, spread your eggs out to fill up the pan, trying to keep it pretty even. After you get it all spread out, turn off your heat and shave in your palm. Now there's nothing left to do but plate it up and grub it down. But wait a second, reverse that. Hold up, remember we were gonna make this to go? So to do so, just grab yourself a tortilla out the cupboard, plop your omelet right there in the center of it, fold it up like a burrito, take it with you to go. Or maybe make a few of these, wrap them up in some parchment paper or some wax paper, go ahead and pop them in your fridge. They heat up just fine in the microwave. So when you wake up late for work or something, grab yourself a little omelet burrito, pop it in the microwave. A few minutes later, you're out the door eating that thing.